therapist today. So, I'm from Universidad de Zamboanga. So, for today, sir, for verification lang, ano po yung name niyo?
I'm Herfader Santo.
Okay po, how about your birthday?
October 28, 2004.
So, yung age niyo po, sir?
20.
So, before I start explaining the procedure, can I ask po kung ano po yung gusto nyo i-address ko na pangalan?
Choice.
Ano pong gusto nyong language na gamitin natin? So, sir, mag-interview na ako to get the subjective data. For current symptoms or patient history, wala po ba kayong sa family mo?
Wala.
How about may nararamdaman po ba kayo? Sipon? May allergy po ba kayo? So, yung lifestyle habits, nag-smoke po ba kayo? Umiinom? Okay, sir. So, for our assessment for today, I'll be assessing your thorax, particularly in your posterior part of your thorax. And for this assessment, kailangan ko mong inspection and palpation, perfusion, and auscultation. Okay lang po ba yung solution? So, rest assured po, sir, na yung mga natin ngayon, documents are completely confidential between me and the attending physicians. So, for today, I'm inspecting posterior thorax. First, I'm gonna inspecting the shape and configuring of the chest wall and position of the scapula. Sir, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. So next, I'm gonna palpate the tenderness and sensation. Okay, sir, sabihin mo po sa akin may feel ka. Okay, next, I'm gonna use my dorsal to check the temperature. So next is palpating the fremitus, and I'll be using my ulnar part of my hands. Sir, say 99 as I touch it. So next, I'll be observing chest expansion, and for me to observe that, I'll be putting my thumb here in T9 and I'll just observe for the movement of my thumb. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. So next, I'll be percussing the intercostal space. So next and last part, I'll be auscultating the breath sounds of the patients. I'm gonna use my stethoscope. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Sir, can you say E? now we're gonna proceed to anterior thorax. First, I'm gonna inspect breathing patterns and inspect the costal angle. Sir, mag-proceed na po ako.
Okay.
Sir, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So I'm gonna proceed to tactile firmitus. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale.